we want to display this image inside our page. So how to take this? Hello friends, welcome to OctaCoder. Today we are going to learn how to insert images in our web page. So let's start. So here let's create a new file. So HTML have predefined image tag as a img. Image tag doesn't have a closing tag like we have already body start and body close here. Like this, image tags are self-closing. These are considered as a non-container category. Like there are many tags that can be closed as a self-close. Here you can see meta tag is not closed, but it is as a self-closed tag, that is called a self-close. Those are the non-container tags. So like that, we have here image tag, self-closing tag, and inside the image tag we have attribute as a src. Src means source, from where you want to get the path of whatever the source you want to provide inside this tag. So the source of that path is given here inside the src attribute. So now we will take here online image. So let's go on Google, let's search for image. Okay, let's go with the OctaCoders because I don't want to get copyright issues. So we have images. See, these are our images, so there no copyright issue. Let's take this one image. So we want this image inside our page. So how to take this? So on this image, right click and you can see here copy link address. If you copy this link address, let's see what will happen. Let's give it inside the source attribute and paste it here inside the inverted commas and save the file. Open this file in the browser and here we got the image icon, but the image is not displayed. Why? Because we have copied the image link address and we don't wanted this image link address. We want to display this image here, so we don't need the link address because this is a link address, not the image address. So here we have another option, copy image address. You can see here, copy that image address, Ctrl Z here, and now paste our latest path. Oh, so the path is very longer, so let's try it. Let's save this file, and the previously we have given the wrong path, so that's why the image is not displayed here, but now we have given the right path. So let's refresh the file. You can see here we got the image here. Now see, this is the same image, we took it from the Google. So now we also got the image here in our local web page. So that's how to take online images and insert in our web pages, but those are the little bit risky. If this owner delete this image, then it will be deleted from here because we have given online path, that image address. So now we are going to take images from our local machine and we will upload on our web page. So let's delete this one. Now let's take it image from our folder. This is our image tag.html file. This file is inside the OctaCoder folder. Here you can see there is 2-3 images here we have. So how to give this image path on here? So you can directly copy this image name and paste it here and give the extension of image.png and save the file and refresh the browser and see we got the image because the image is in same folder, that's why we got the image. Now here image is very big. We have already learned how to give styles, but inside the image tag we don't need to write the style attribute. We can just directly give the height and width. Let's give 400 pixel and width let's give 400 pixel. So save this file, and now let's check the height and width we have given that will apply or not. So let's refresh the file, and now see the height and width got whatever we have given here. So that's how to take image, but here this image came from the same folder. What if this image is in other folder? So how to take that path? So in the next lecture we will learn that. We will also learn relative path and absolute path. So stay tuned with the OctaCoder.